Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome to Docentes DigitalesTV. You are about to watch the most complete video series to learn English and American culture in the easiest way possible. No complicated lessons, no stress. Just listen carefully and watch the video multiple times to improve your understanding and learning. Today, we're heading to one of the most exciting cities in the world, New York City, known as the Big Apple. This city is full of surprises, history, and unique experiences. In this video, we're going to share 10 fun facts about New York City that you probably didn't know. Let's get started. Fact number 1. New York City was the first capital of the United States. In 1789, George Washington took the oath of office there as the first U.S. president. The capital was later moved to Philadelphia and then to Washington, D.C. Fact number 2. Times Square is named after the New York Times newspaper. In 1904, the newspaper moved its headquarters to this area, and it was renamed Times Square in its honor. Fact number 3. More than 800 languages are spoken in New York City, making it the most linguistically diverse city in the world. It's truly a melting pot of cultures and people from every corner of the globe. Fact number 4. The city's famous Central Park is bigger than the country of Monaco. Central Park covers 843 acres of land right in the heart of Manhattan. Fact number 5. The Statue of Liberty, a symbol of freedom, was actually a gift from France in 1886. It arrived in pieces and was assembled on Liberty Island. Fact number 6. New York City's subway system is one of the largest in the world, with 472 stations and over 800 miles of track. It operates 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Fact number 7. The Empire State Building was once the tallest building in the world. Completed in 1931, it remained the tallest for nearly 40 years. Fact number 8. More than 60 million tourists visit New York City every year. People from all over the world come to see its landmarks, shows, museums, and iconic streets. Fact number 9. NYC has 5 boroughs: Manhattan, Brooklyn, Queens, the Bronx, and Staten Island. Each has its own personality and charm. Fact number 10. The nickname the Big Apple became popular in the 1920s thanks to horse racing. It was used to describe big prize money and later came to represent the city's energy and opportunities. Congratulations on making it to the end of this video. Now you know 10 fun facts about New York City, one of the most fascinating places in the world. Don't forget to subscribe to Docentes DigitalesTV so you won't miss the feedback video, which is essential for reinforcing what you've learned and improving your mastery of English and American culture. Give this video a like and share it with your friends to help us grow and continue creating high-quality content for you. See you in the next video.